Here's your quick guide in writing an appendix or a research paper. What is an appendix and how do you write it? An appendix is found at the end of a paper and contains information that supplements the text, but that is too distracting to include in the main body of the paper. This is supplemental information placed as an appendix to your work. An appendix or appendices should always be inserted after your reference list. However, the appropriateness of appendix content really depends on the nature and scope of your research paper. The body of your paper should not be dependent upon what is in the appendices. Instead, each appendix should act to supplement what is in the primary text, adding additional, but not essential information that provides extra insight or information for the reader. Appendix is written using the APA format. APA is the official writing style used by the American Psychological Association. This format dictates how academic and professional papers should be structured and formatted. These are some of the APA format guidelines you need to observe. Use a consistent font, such as 12-point Times New Roman or 11-point Calibri. Double space your text. All paragraphs should be indented on the first line. Page numbering should be continuous with the rest of your paper. They are lettered Appendix A, Appendix B, Appendix C, and so forth. If you have only one appendix, however, simply label it Appendix. Additionally, remember to observe the following. Put figures and tables in separate appendices. The appendix title serves as the title for a table if it is the only table in the appendix. If you decide that certain figures and tables should appear in the same appendix, number them A1, A2, A3, and so forth, according to the appendix in which they appear. The materials in the appendix must not extend beyond the margins of the rest of the paper. Reduce the appendix materials as needed, and the order they are presented must follow the order they are mentioned in the text of your research paper. Appendices can consist of figures, tables, maps, photographs, raw data, computer programs, musical examples, interview questions, sample questionnaires. Thank you for watching. For more research paper tutorial videos and free printables, visit EnglishWizardOnline.com. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.